Hi, my name is Riley. I work here at Next Advance, and today we're going to be talking about how to properly cool your samples with Bullet Blender Gold models. Start by selecting Cool Chamber on the home display. In order to pre-cool the chamber, make sure to use dry ice pellets. Use the scoop that came with your Bullet Blender to fill both sides of your dry ice bucket. Be sure to sift out any dry ice powder before putting it into the ice bucket. When powder accumulates at the bottom of the dry ice bucket, it blocks airflow into the chamber. Once the dry ice is in the bucket, close it securely. Now select Next on the display, and the machine will show cooling progress. The cooling process takes about 15 minutes at room temperature and 71% humidity. Time may vary depending on the humidity and ambient temperature. All you have to do is insert your samples and run the Bullet Blender. Please feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. Thank you very much.